Child Support Law Center presents Establishing a Child Support Order. I am attorney Alan W. Cohen, author of The Unwed Mom and The Unwed Dad, and the Child Support Trap 3-book series. Women expect the father to pay, and most fathers want to support their children, but navigating the process is tricky. Whether the mother is employed or is receiving public assistance. In order to understand, there are 3 things that parents must learn. First, know your rights. Second, never assume. And third, understand why. The way things are because of the way things were. In traditional marriage, the husband had the primary duty to support children born of the marriage. Not so for children born out of wedlock. Traditionally, the natural father had no duty to support his child if he was not married to the mother. The only exception was if the father acknowledged the child voluntarily. Otherwise, the mother was on her own. All that changed in America in 1968. Children out of wedlock obtained equal protection. If a husband had a duty of support, so should then the natural father of a child born out of wedlock. So the modern child support system began, where the federal government took over, claiming it wanted reimbursement for money it paid on behalf of the child. In this child support system, a child is not a child is a financial obligation, where government tells mothers the big lie. Trust in government, and government will take care of them. But government wants to establish paternity to collect child support and get its money back. So laws make it easy to establish paternity by signing the birth affidavit at the hospital or through paternity testing through a child support agency. Equal protection laws, however, give fathers the same rights as mothers. Absent a court order, a man named on the birth certificate as the child's father has equivalent rights to possession of the child to that of the mother. Establishing a support order requires a finding of paternity. In the child support system, the government assumes and mothers wrongly believe they have custody of their children. A child support order alone is not, I repeat, not a custody order. Only a judge can award custody, and must do so specifically. For mothers seeking a support order, it's a risky business. Either get a lawyer and get a custody order, as well as a support order, or take a risk and ask the government to create a child support order. Your local child support agency provides free services, and men should understand the state cannot address custody rights. In the child support system, the mother is required to identify the natural father and to participate in paternity testing. If the mother is receiving any form of public assistance, not just cash, she assigns her rights to the state to establish the child support order. If she is receiving TANF, any support the mother receives goes to the state. So in deciding whether to establish a support order, the mother should balance expectations with reality. When she conceived this child, was she seeking a supporter or just having fun? Is the father a provider or a bum? Is he a good father or not? Does he have other financial obligations like other children? What are the dangers of sharing custody? Will there be a custody battle? Because in the eyes of the courts, all that matters is that the sperm hit the egg. So before you invest in your future, remember it is all about money. If you are a mother seeking support, or if you are a father who just wants to be a dad, take care of yourself. Don't trust the government. Get a good lawyer and never represent yourself, as the law is very complicated. I am attorney Alan W. Cohen. Thank you for listening.